Data binding expressions are used to bind the data with the various type of control without using postbacks. You can see we have taken the three labels called LBL name, LBL address, LBL standard and LBL gender. So we will bind the data which is inputted from these text boxes to these labels. So go to the source of this page. Now in the control ASP label write a text which is a attributes or a property of the label control and is equal to less than sign, percentage sign. Visual Studio will automatically complete this tag or this block and then write hash. After that write here controls the name from which you want to take input. For example, we want to take input from txt name dot text. We must have to write here exact name of the control because here IntelliSense is not provided by the Visual Studio IDE, so we have to care about this. Now we will do same thing for other controls also, copying just and paste into others, but after that changing the text control. Here is it txt address, other is txt standard and then txt gender. Now go to the design view. Now click anywhere in the page so it will show code behind. Now you can see the page load event. Page load event is executed each time when page is loaded. When post back event of particular control is executed, then page load event also will be executed. So to enable the data binding expression, we must have to call data binding method. So write page dot data binding braces and semicolon. It will call the data binding method. Now go to the web form and run. Now enter the data in the text boxes. John Martin, address is Wall Street, standard is 3 and gender is male. Now click on the submit button. We can see data from the text box is delivered or copied or assigned to the label controls. So using data binding we can do actions like a submit or post back event, but it will just assign the value, not execute code. So this was a data binding expressions. Thank you.